Conditioning a garage during new construction gives you a comfortable, efficient space that meets workshop or living needs without costly retrofits later. Start by planning insulation for walls, the ceiling, and the garage door as a system rather than isolated fixes. Use cavity insulation with a thermal resistance of at least the recommended level for your climate, and add continuous rigid board or spray foam on the interior face to reduce thermal bridging through studs. Spray foam also improves air sealing but requires a qualified installer. Choose a garage door with a factory-installed insulation core and add a full perimeter gasket at the bottom and top, plus high-quality weather stripping around the edges to stop drafts and dust. For heating and cooling, a ductless MiniSplit offers precise temperature control and humidity management with minimal ductwork and is a good option when extending the main duct system is impractical. Size it based on heat load calculations that include the larger door area and any tools that generate heat. If you extend the house HVAC, incorporate motorized dampers and a dedicated thermostat so the garage does not overwhelm the rest of the system, and ensure ducts are insulated and sealed to avoid energy loss. Address attic access by installing an insulated and gasketed access door or building a conditioned attic space to prevent heat transfer through the roof cavity. Add ventilation or a small supply to control moisture. Upgrade lighting to LED fixtures on dedicated circuits, and add code-compliant receptacles and a sub-panel if you plan heavy equipment so you do not overload existing circuits. A common mistake is treating the garage like an interior room without addressing the garage door, which leaves a major heat loss point. Solve this by using a high R value garage door and continuous gasketing around the perimeter. Homeowners often undersize the heating or cooling equipment because they use square footage alone. Avoid this by having a simple load calculation that factors door area, ceiling height, and expected occupancy or equipment. People ignore moisture and condensation risk when sealing a garage, which causes mold and tool corrosion. Prevent that by managing humidity with the HVAC, adding a vapor retarder on the warm side of insulation in cold climates, and ensuring proper drainage away from foundations. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors who list services for conditioned garage upgrades and other new construction work. We provide a discussion community where we and other users share real experience, questions, and contractor recommendations to help plan your project.